Hello everyone, good afternoon. So we're here from this one in this analyze of these games in FIDE Women's World Team Championship 2025. So today is quarterfinals from this top 8 from this country. So these are a quarterfinals within top 8 within between FIDE teams from this Russia, Uzbekistan, China, USA, Azerbaijan, Georgia, also known as London, and India, and the last is Kazakhstan. So it means these are a top 8 of this one in this quarterfinals by this one in this FIDE Women's World Team Championship 2025 here. So today is quarterfinals from this one, from this match 3 here. So 2 games analyzed here. So it means, so these are a time clocks within blitz chess within 3 minutes plus 2 seconds increment here. So it means blitz chess here. And also have a between from this international master in China, Lu Miaoyi, aka Meow Meow. Meow Meow. Meow meow meow. Sound like a cat here. And versus by international master in USA is Tatev Abrahamyan here. So after of this, in this first game, from this next second game between woman grandmaster India is PV, and versus by international master in Kazakhstan is Merver Kamalidanova. So later of this next second game later. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed of the standings of these quarterfinals here from match 3. So white plays Meow Meow is e4, e6 Tatev, French defense, d4, d5, knight c3, and also bishop d4 is called a French defense whenever variation. So it means whenever variation here. So pronounce like pronunciation like a whenever. That's joking. So whenever variations here, and also e5 and also c5, because these are the, because c5 here without attacks this one the pawns here, and also bishop d2 and also knight e7. So for example, so it means if you capture this pawn, how do you think if you move side here and also knight b5? So it means threatening the pawns here, or maybe threats the pawns, or because these are the bishop to bishops here. So it means these are the controls, or maybe here by next maneuver is knight d6 here without checks. So these are the strong move by white pieces here. So if you capture this bishop, here check, queen takes capture, threats the pawns here. So it means so another, so it means, so if you move by here, wait, so if you move by bishop to e7 here, and also queen to g4, threats the pawns here. So it means strong move by white pieces here. So it means danger by blacks here. So it means, so these are the controls here. So it means back there is knight e7 by Tatev without coming by castling king side here, and also a3 pawns without attacks these pawns here, threats the pawns, bishop takes captured, knight takes, and also knight bc6 here. So it means without strong move by this one Tatev here, and also knight f3 without defense here, captured, bishop captured. So it means, so if you knight takes captured pawn, so it means knight captured. So it means these are the controls here. So same the pawns here. So bishop captured by Meow Meow here, because these are the attacks this one. So first this one is bishop captured pawn, knight takes captured, queen takes, and also knight c6 without idea, without attacks disturbing the queens here. And Meow Meow decided queen e3 without controls here or ignorance. Castle king side by Tatev here. So castling king side, castling queen side by Meow Meow. Without castling here, because these are the without controls here from this one, without castling, and also bishop d7. So these are a novelty by Tatev. So does not belong to the book line. So these are the old main lines here is f6 pawns is a database by recording here. So f6. So it means bishop d7, novelty by Tatev, and also bishop d3 by Meow Meow, and also f5. Oh my god, so it means Tatev is moved by f5 because upcoming by Empasat captured. So these are the controls here. and also queen f4. So it means, so that's not one of this move by Meow Meow by queen f4. So it means once of computer is pawn h4, destroy the pawns here, or maybe Empassat captured. So Empassat captured, so these are the two best moves here. So these are the slightly betters from white's here. So slightly betters here. So these are the continuations here. So it means queen f4 by Meow Meow here, and also rook c8. So without move by this one by rook c files here, so it means Brand X move by Tatev here. So it means, so the branded is bishop to e8. So these are the best moves here. So these are the controls here. So etc, etc. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. So back there is rook c8 by this one Tatev, or this one by rook c files here, and also rook hg1. Oh, without move by Man Universe pawn g4. So it means destroy this one by revenge this one the pawns without arrows archery here, and also knight e7. So what the plans, or maybe here by Man Universe knight to g6 without threats the queen. So it means how do you controls here from this next maneuver here from this one, and also pawn h4 without destroy here. So it means these are the very strong move by Meow Meow, and also queen b6 by Tatev without idea by threats the pawns or pinning the rooks here, because these are the controls here from this without continuations by this one by connected by queens here. And also rook d2 without defense the pawns here, and also bishop b5 without bishop to bishop because the light square bishop here. So it means, so without bishop to bishop here, and also eating the bishop, eating the queens, and also knight d4 attacks the double the queens and pawns here. So it means very double attacks here, and approaching by defense the queen b6 by Tatev here, and also h5 without no more by knight to g6 because these are the move side this one by connected here, because these are the strong move here by Meow Meow here, and also rook c4 without disturbance, without threats the knights or pinning the queens here. So very strong move by Tatev, and also h6. So it means sacrifice. So it means, so h6 here. So it means without sacrifice, and push g6 by Tatev, and also queen g5 almost there here because almost without without queen g5. So queen g5 by Meow Meow without idea by threats the knights here. So threats the knights or upcoming by mating net. So these are the controls here, and also rook f7. So these are a even bad move. So Tatev Abrahamian. So it means, so that's not one of these computer by moves here. So the ones computer the best moves is knight to c6, threatening the knights here. So it means, so if you knight captured pawns here, and also rook g4 strong move attacks the queens. So threatening the queens here. So if you move by queen e3 without queen to queen, and also queen captured, and also pawn captured, so damage full by weakening the pass pawns because the ugliness pawn structure here. So it means, so if you move here is rook to e8, threat the knights. So these are the good strong move here by white pieces. So very determinations by Meow Meow here. So it means, so rook, so it means these are the threats the knights here. So these are the slightly betters from whites and blacks here, because the move side is rook e8 by Tatev, so very strongest move. So these are the controls here. So back there, this one is rook f7 by Tatev here, and also pawn c3 by Meow Meow, and also queen c7 without idea by threatening the disturbing the pawns here, and also pawn f4 without defense the pawns, and also queen d7 by Tatev, king d1, proc active move by Meow Meow. And also knight c6 without attacks the knights here, so without counters attacks, and knight b5. So it means so bad move by Meow Meow here. So the best moves the one's computer is rook c1. Well, rook c1 here. So it means very strong move by Meow Meow. So it means so etc etc. So these are the slightly betters from whites by advantage by Meow Meow here. So slightly advantage here. So back there is knight b5 by Meow Meow here, and also rook f8. So it means so cannot say by the mistake move by Tatev. So the mismove, the best move, this one is knight captured pawns without sacrifice here. So sacrifice here. So if you capture this pawn, captured knights here. So it means, and also rook g4. Oh, rook g4, strong move. Without threats the queens here. So how do you control here? So if you move by queen e3 here, and also queen captured knight. So it means so very determinations by strong move here. So it means so slightly better here. So another here. So it means so if you queen captured knight, and also queen d8 check. So it means what? So what do you control here from this one? So if you move rook f8, and also queen e7. Oh, so it means queen e7 without here. So it means so if you move by rook f7, queen captured check. Oh, not yet. Sorry. So it means so rook f7. So it means wrong. So it means rook f7. So very here from this one, and rook f7, and wait, where do you put? So it means queen d8 check. So it means so I don't know what examples here. So it means so never mind here. So it means these are the advantage here. So I'm sorry I got wrong my examples here. I'm sorry. Gomenasai. Gomenasai. So it means back there is rook f8 by Tatev. So it means bad move, and also good move by Meow Meow, knight d6. Oh, very strong move by Meow Meow here. So very excellent move, and also rook c5, and also pawn g4, destroy. Without destroy here, without attacks this pawn. So it means because these are the defensive, the connected the rooks here. So it means these are the continuations. And also captured, rook captured, wrong move by Meow Meow. So the best moves is knight to e4. So it means threatening the rooks here. So threats the rooks. Need more knight e4. We need to attack the rooks here. So slightly advantage from better move by whites here. So it means without sacrifice. So it means so pawn do not capture this one pawn captured knight. So it means capture the queen. So it means no more queens. So be careful from this one, from focusing by chess here. So sacrifice the knight. So slightly better from whites here. So back there is rook captured here. So it means without rook captured, and also knight e7. So it means bad move, another bad move by Tatev. So it means so the best moves here, the best moves the one's computer is queen e7. So queen e7. So need more this one, the queen to queen here. So if you move queen takes captured, knight takes captured. So these are the slightly betters from advantage from whites and blacks here, because these are the solutions by this one, the continuations here. So slightly betters. So back there, this one is knight e7 by Tatev here, and also rook d g2. So it means without battery. So another brand X by Meow Meow. So the best moves, this one is knight e4 again. What happened to my Meow Meow here? So it means knight e4 again. So it means so need more focused by knight e4. So very mismove by Meow Meow. So slightly better from whites here without sacrifice here. So these are the controls by this one, the continuations here. So very continuations. So back there, this one is rook tg2 battery, X move, knight f5 by Tatev, and also queen h5, sacrifice by Meow Meow. Very sacrifice here. So do not capture the pawn captured queen, so because these are the without pins, without targets, without check here. So it means be careful from this one. So need more concentrations here. So it means queen h5 by this one by Meow Meow, and knight captured by Tatev. So it means knight captured. So it means falls down here. So it means these are a poison move. So X move by Tatev. So the best moves there is rook to c7. Need more ignorance. So without no more by knight to e4. So need more moves here by rook c7. So etc, etc. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. So back there is knight captured here by Tatev here, and also captured this pawn. Oh, without captured here. So these are continuations, and also queen f7. So for example here, so it means so if you move by this one, so if you move queen takes captured pawns here, and also sacrifice rook captured pawn. The rook! Shouting the god of chess here. So it means sacrifice here. So if you capture this rook here, and also rook captured check. Oh, rook captured. Rook captured here. Sorry. So it means queen captured. Oh, that's correct. So queen captured g6 check here. So if you move by this one with king h8 here, and also queen g7, mating net. So mating nets here. So these are the good examples here. So very good examples by controls by determinations here. So after this one, queen f7 by Tatev. So without getting puzzle, so what do you think the perfect shot, the strong move by master by without brilliant move by strong move by Meow Meow? So once off this one by computer engine. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook takes g6 check. So sacrifice brilliant move. The rook! Shouting the goddamn chess. So it means rook takes g6, strong, brilliant, captured by sacrifice. So perfect move by Meow Meow. So these are the highest evaluation bar from the strong evaluation bar, because these are the very perfect by Meow Meow, 15 years old. So learn of this focusing by chess here, and decided captured by sacrifice rook captured check. So without need more rook captured here, and also king h7. So it means, for example, so if you move this one, if you move king h8 here, so without king h8 here, and also decided this one is queen to e5. So queen e5 check. So if you move here by king h7 here, and also rook g7 check. So it means check without queen's trap, because these are the without rooks here. So it means if you king captured pawns, rook captured. So lose from blocks by Tatev. So these are the continuations here. So these are the examples. So examples from this one. So back there, this one is king h7 by Tatev here, and rook g7 check. Good move, perfect move by Meow Meow. So it means without rook check, queen traps the queenless the blocks here. So it means queenless by Tatev here. and queen captured, takes, king takes, and queen g5 check, king f7, d7. So unstoppable here, so promotes the queens here. So it means unstoppable here. And also rook c8, rook captured c8, queen, rook takes, and also pawn f5, rook c6, because these are the continuations by Tatev, and also queen g6 check, king e7, pawn f6 check, king d6, and f7. Almost this one coming without f8 queen here, and also rook c8, and last shot queen g8. So after of this match 3, so resigns by Tatev Abrahamian. So knock out her. So it means, so why she knock out? Because for example, if you rook captured queen, so it means captured by f take g8 queen, so unstoppable by this one. So lost from Black's, game over. So it means game over from this one, from Black pieces here. So it means, so the score by this one by China 4 points and USA 2 points. So it means knockout by Team USA. So it means Tatev Abrahamian, so knockout of this quarterfinal. So congratulations by Team China from proceed from this one by these semifinals here. So next of these second games here. So next proceed of this one from this next second game by match 3. Okay, the next second game from match 3. So without time clocks, without 3 minutes plus 2 seconds increment. So same by match 3 here. And also have a between from this woman grandmaster in India is PV Nadhid Haha. So what's the pronounced the names from this her last name here. So it means, so woman grandmaster, so it means India by PV. So PV of these names here, and versus by beautiful pretty international master in Kazakhstan is Merevert Kamalidenova. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed of this match 3 by this one by Blitz here. So white plays PV is c4 English opening, knight f6 Merevert, knight c3, g6, and also e4, and also d6. So it means these are is called by rook c binds here. So rook c binds here, and also d4 without is called by this one triple pass pawn. So these are the triple pass pawns here, and also bishop g7 without preparing castling by Merevert here, and also h3 castling by Merevert, and also bishop to e3. So what is called this one? It is called by King's Indian Defense Makugunov variation. So it means it's called by Makugunov variations here. So it means it is called by Makugunov. And also knight bd7 by Merevert, and also bishop e2 without bishop pairs. So these are the same bishop pairs here. And also e5 attacks the pawns, push d5 by PV, knight c5 by strong move by Merevert, sorry. So it's Merevert here. So it means knight c5 by Merevert, and also queen c2 without preparing castling queenside by PV. So without PV here, and also a5 without strong move by Merevert, or next move by a4 pawns here, and also knight f3 without preparing by castling. So castling kingside by PV here, and also knight fd7 by Merevert, and also g4 without strong move. So very strong move by this one by PV here. a4 strong move by Merevert. So without Merevert here, and also push g5. So it means, so that's not one of this move by PV. So it means g5. So the one's computer the best move is castling queenside. So castling queenside, so need more castling here. So it means, so etc etc. So these are the slightly better from whites here. So slightly better. So it means, so push g5 by PV, f5. So without f5, Empasat captured, knight takes, and knight d2 without move by controls by this one by PV, bishop d7 by Merevert defends the pawns, castling queenside by PV, and also c6 attacks the pawns, rook dg1. So these are a does not belongs of the book lines by PV. Novelty. So these are the old main lines here by recording is captured pawns, and or maybe here by king b1 without old main line. So king b1 is properly active move. So king b1 is old main line. So it means, so third, rook tg1 out of this book line, X is moved by this one by PV here, and decided captured by Merriweather takes, and also rook c8 without moves here by rook c5, without queens, without knights, queens, and kings here. So these are the rook c5 here. Pawn f3 without defense the pawns, and b5 without idea by move by b3 attacks the knight. So very strong move here by Merriweather, and also a3 without stop by b3. So these are the controls here from this one, and also queen a5 without defense the, so defense the knight. So that's not one of this move by Merriweather by queen a5 here. So the one's computer is queen b6 here. So queen b6 is a right move here. So etc, etc. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. Slightly betters. So queen a5 by Merriweather here, and also properly active move is king b1. So need more focusing by PV here, and also knight h5 by Merriweather here. So very strong move here because these are the without idea by knight to f4. So how do you move here by controls here, because these are the connecting the knights here, and also king a2. So another bad move by PV here. So another bad move. So it means, so best move is king d1. So king d1 here is the right move, not king a2. So queen d1. So queen d1. So these are the good slightly advantage from whites here. So determinations here. So it means queen a2 by PV, and b4 strong move without attacks the knights or pawns, or next move by this one without move controls push b3. Push b3 here is without attacks the queens and kings without check here. So if you move here by b3 here without check, without here traps the queens here. So traps here, and decided captured, queen takes captured, and also knight cb1. Knight b3 attacks the knights, and queen d3. Rook b8 because the queens behind the rooks, or maybe here by without pins by rook d5 here, because these are the controls by connecting. Queen c3 without queen to queen. Knight d4 in accept PV, queen takes, rook takes, bishop captured, rook captured. So another bad move by Merriweather. So these are does not ones of this captured here. So the best move is need more captured here. So capture this one. So captured is a right move. So these are the highest evaluation bar here. So etc. These are the slightly advantage from blacks here. So it means, so 3 seconds by PV and 14 seconds by Merriweather. So dying seconds here. So dying seconds. So rook captured here by Merriweather. Rook c1. So it means rook c1 by PV, and also bishop h6 by Merriweather without threats the knights or pin the rooks here. So these are the diagonals here, and also rook hd1. So these are the mistake move here. So the best move this one is rook, strong move is rook c7. So rook c7 without idea threats the bishop here, and decided knight here. So it means defense here, knight f6. So these are the controls here. So these are the slightly advantage here. So slightly advantage here. So back there, this one is rook hd1 by PV, and bishop captured h3 by Merriweather, and rook c6 here without attacks the pawns, without threats the pawns here. So these are the connecting the tempos attacks. Knight g3 attacks the bishop, bishop b5, rook captured, another third bad move by Merriweather here. So the best moves this one is bishop captured d2. So bishop captured. If you rook captured here without rook to rook, rook takes, and knight takes rook. So knight takes rook here. So these are the likely solutions here. Likely solutions. So rook captured by Merryworth here. So sacrifice. And also rook c4, brand X move by PV. So the branded move is one is knight captured rook. Knight captured. Threats here. So if you decided this one is rook captured, because these are the continuations here. So these are the slightly better from solutions here. So slightly better schools here. So back there, this one is rook c4 by PV without rook to rook. And also rook f6. So it means, for example, so how do you control if you rook captured here? If you rook captured here, so it means double. So these are the doubles here because the knights. So it means how do you move if you control the doubles? So it means knight captured here. So it means doubles. How do you choose here? So it means, and also bishop captured. So bishop captured, or maybe here from this one is knight captured. So knight captured, and also rook here, rook f6. So it means slightly better good examples. So slightly good examples here. Woo, making. So it means, so rook f6 here by move by ignorance by Merryworth here. Rook takes captured, takes, and also knight c4. Knight captured pawn sacrifice. Not sacrifice. so not sacrifice. It means knight captured. Rook e1 attacks the knights. Bishop f5 defense. Bishop captured. Knight c5. And also bishop c6 with a defense here. And also rook f7. Bad move by Merryworth. So the best move this one is bishop to c2. Bishop c2. So it means these are the highest strong evaluation bar. So it means bishop c2 is a best move here. So these are the continuations here. So best move here. So back there, this one is rook f7 by Merryworth and rook e8 check. So X is moved by PV, brand X move. So another brand X here. So the best moves, the ones computer, this one is decided is knight captured pawn. Knight d6 is a right move without threats the rooks here. So it means without threats the rooks or doubles here the bishop. So double attacks here. And decided this one is rook backwards here. So rook backwards. So these are the slightly solutions from this one, the blacks here. Slightly solutions. So it means rook e8 check by brand X by PV and king g7, and also rook d8 attacks the pawns, and rook a7 check, knight b8 defense here. So it means without defense or without guardian, and also d3 almost here by without defense, the without promotes by d1 queen here, and also rook captured, d2 knight captured, bishop captured, and also rook d8. Bishop g5 that threats the rooks here. So bishop g5 here, and also rook b8, and also bishop e7, rook b4, knight d3 attacks the rooks, rook d4 threatening the knights. So very disturbance the knights here. So rook d4, bishop c5 threatening the rooks here, counters attacks, rook c4, bishop d6, king b3, bishop captured sacrifice, takes, and also king f6, rook d4 here, and also king e5 threatening the rooks, rook c4, king d6, and go back, rook d4. So it means go back, knight c5 check, king b2, h5, and also a4, bishop g4, king a3 defense here the pawns, and also bishop f5. So it means, so 9 seconds by PV and 10 seconds by Merryworth. So it means dying seconds here. King b4, knight d3 check, king c3, knight c5, or maybe without threats the pawns. So it means without threats here, and also king b4 defends the pawns, g5 almost here by promotes here. So it means without promotes the here by g1 queen or h1 queen. So it means these are the almost here by pushes the pawns, and also a5 knight d3 check, king b5, knight c5, and also king b6 attacks the rooks here. Rook a6 check, king b5, rook a7 again, go back, and also king b6, rook g7 without defense the pawns, and a6, knight captured sacrifice, king takes, and also g4 without pushes. Rook d1, g3. So perfect move by Merward without move here, controls, or g1 queens here. And also rook g1 without guards here, without defense, without no more here pushes, without here, without solutions here. And also push g2, bishop b5, h4. Oh my god, very perfect move by Merward Kamalydenova. Promotes here by h3, h2, or promotes h1 queen, so it means very perfect move by wins from blacks here. Bishop e2, h3, so very perfect, almost the promotes here by queens by Merward. Bishop f3, h2. So very strong move. Oh, without idea threats the rooks, without promotes the queen, so almost wins for blacks by Merward. Rook captured, promotes h1 queen, rook takes captured, and queen takes f3. So it means Wata wins by Merward Kamalydenova. So resigns by knockout by PV. So what a win from blacks here. so the score by 75.7 by PV and 81.5. So congratulations here by Merward Kamalydenova. So let's see these final results after quarterfinals. So it means congratulations by this one from FIDE Teams Russia 4 points, and Uzbekistan here. So Uzbekistan is 0 points here. And also P is China 4 points and USA 2 points. And Azerbaijan 3 points and Georgia in London 1 point. And the last D is India 2 points and Kazakhstan 4 points. Congratulations. Congratulations from top 4 by proceed from this semifinal. So next semifinals here between FIDE Teams, also known as Russia versus China, and also next is Azerbaijan versus Kazakhstan. So I will next up this one from this analyze here. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Sayonara, bye bye.